Hello my dear students and welcome to my Easy Maths class. Today we are going to start another new chapter. New chapter means new part that is called belong to trigonometric identities obviously, but this part is trigonometric ratios of standard angles. It means you need to know the value of few angles like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, these are angles. So one question arises, how could you get this number, how could you get the value of the angles? Okay, so let's start. Let's see how we can get the values of the angles. Here I am writing a particular table where our intention is finding different angles. Okay, now I would like to show you how to find the value of trigonometric ratios of 60 degree, 30 degree, etc. Means, what is the value of sin 30? What is the value of sin 60? Cos 30, cos 60, tan 30, tan 60, sec 30, sec 60, like this. Say, here I am drawing an isosceles triangle. Okay. First I am drawing, okay. First my intention is showing you 60 degree and 30 degree. For that, I need to draw an equilateral triangle. Okay. So I am drawing an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means, say this one is A, B and C, each side being a unit. Okay, each side of equilateral triangle being a unit. Now all of you know very well that ABC being equilateral triangle, each angle will be 60 degree, isn't it? So this one will be 60 degree, this one will be 60 degree and this one will be 60 degree. Now if I draw an angle bisector, that will make this angle 30 degree and 30 degree. Okay, so this one will be 90 and this one will be 90, isn't it? So what we got? ABC is an equilateral triangle, each angle 60 degree, all of you know very well. AD being perpendicular, or AD can be considered as angle bisector of angle BAC or angle A, whatever. Okay. Now think about triangle ADC. What we are getting? AC here is hypotenuse and CD means half the base A by 2, isn't it? So using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the value of AD, because ADC being right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem can be applicable, right? Since Pythagoras theorem is applicable, AD means AD square is equal to, we can write AC square minus CD square, that is A square minus A by 2 whole square, that is 3 square by 4. It means AD is equal to root over 3 by 2A. Okay, AD is equal to, we got root over 3 by 2A. Now sin 60 means, all of you know that sin theta is nothing but perpendicular by hypotenuse. isn't it? So sine 60 means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here it is AD by AC, that is root 3a by 2 by a. Ultimately this one becomes root 3a by 2. So sine 60 becomes root 3a by 2. Okay. Now cos 60 means base by hypotenuse. All of you know, from triangle ADC we can find, from triangle ADC we can find cos 60 means base by hypotenuse, that is this one becomes a by 2 by a, that is half. And similarly tan 60 means perpendicular by base, that is here it would be AD by DC, that is root 3a by 2 and a by 2. Ultimately this one is root 3. So we have come to know the values of 60 degree, sine, cos, tan, etc. So it will be like sine, cos, tan. So sine 60 means root 3 by 2, cos 60 means half, tan 60 means root 3, isn't it? Similarly, we can find sine 30. Sine 30 means from triangle ADC, sine 30 means perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is it would be CD by AC, that is it would be a by 2 by a, that is half. Cos 30 is equal to AD by AC, AD by AC means root 3a by 2 by a, that is root 3 by 2, and tan 60 means CD by AD, CD by AD, that is a by 2 by root 3a by 2. Ultimately this one is coming as 1 by root 3. So we got sine 30, cos 30, tan 30, right? Sine 30 is half, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, and tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay. Now we can find the value of 45 degrees. Let's see how we can find the values of 45 degrees. For that, we have to draw right angled isosceles triangle. Okay. So right angled isosceles triangle means this one is a right angle isosceles triangle. Say perpendicular and base is A and A unit, so hypotenuse would be A root 2, all of you know. Because right angle isosceles triangle means acute angles are 45 and 45 degree. So this one is a right angled isosceles triangle. Right angled isosceles triangle. Okay. From here we can find from triangle ABC we can find sine 45 means perpendicular by hypotenuse obviously. So this one will be a by a root 2, that is 1 by root 2. Okay. Cos 45 is equal to base by hypotenuse, that is a by a root 2, that is 1 by root 2, and tan 45 means AB by BC, that is one. Okay. Now we have found the values of 45 degrees. Sine 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, tan 45 1. Okay. Now how to find 0 degrees? Try to understand. Think about the diagram. So this one is right angle triangle. Say ABC. This one is theta. Right. Just see the condition. When theta becomes less, means A coming close to B, isn't it? When theta is close to 0 or 0, it means height becomes 0, isn't it? Just try to understand what is happening actually. A is actually getting down. What does it mean? It means when angle becomes less, angle decreased, then A coming to A1, then coming to A2. In this way, when theta becomes 0, A will coincide to B, isn't it? So it means when theta is equal to 0, then perpendicular will be 0 and base will be equals to hypotenuse. Okay. Right. Base will be equals to hypotenuse. So what is happening actually? Then sine 0 is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here it is 0 by hypotenuse, that is 0. So cos 0 is equal to base by hypotenuse. Base and hypotenuse all are same. So it will be 1 by 1, that is 1. And tan 0 is equal to perpendicular by base. So perpendicular is 0 by base, that is 0. So you got sine 0 0, cos 0 1, tan 0 0, isn't it? Right. Now how to find 90 degree? In the same way, if I draw, just see, in the same way, if I draw another triangle, so this one is ABC, this one is theta, and just see, when theta is increasing, it means ultimately B will come closer to C, isn't it? When theta becomes 90 degree, it means this one is coming closer and closer and closer in this way, C, C dash, C double dash, like this. So a time comes when theta becomes 90 degree, means perpendicular and hypotenuse will be same. Perpendicular and hypotenuse will be same, right, and base will be 0, isn't it? So ultimately then sine 90 is equal to, all of you know, sine 90 degree is perpendicular by hypotenuse. It means 1 by 1, that is 1. Cos 90 is equal to base by hypotenuse, base is 0, so ultimate 0, and tan 90 is equal to perpendicular by base, perpendicular by base, that is base is 0. All of you know that something divided by 0 is undefined, isn't it? Undefined. 0 by anything is 0, but anything by 0 is undefined. Try to understand. Please remember this one. So the value becomes sin 91, cos 90 0, and tan 90 is undefined. Okay. So once we got sin, cos, tan, easily we can find the values of cosec, which is reciprocal to sine, sec reciprocal to cos, and cot reciprocal to cot, tan, isn't it? So in this way all the values can be found. Okay, I will be back with few problems where these values will be implemented, right? Till then, goodbye.